call it faith, but it's tribe. They call it religion, but it's blood. Each banner cries, God is with us, yet God is silent, watching his children burn in his name. From Sinai to Golgotha, from Mecca to the ruins, the sons of Abraham raise their swords, each claiming light, yet casting shadows, each praying for peace, yet thirsting for victory.
The prophets spoke of mercy, but their children built walls. The word became a weapon, and love was crucified again and again.
Where is the voice that once spoke to the mountain? Where is the fire that once parted the sea? The ink of revelation has become the blood of men, the law of heaven torn into tribal banners.
They dress their idols in sacred names. They crown their leaders as saviors. And from the pulpits of every land, the truth is auctioned to the loudest crowd. The holy lands have become markets, the prayer's currency, the scriptures contracts, and the angels turn their faces away.
O sons of Abraham, have you forgotten your father? The well you drink from is the same, yet you poisoned with your names. O seekers of the eternal, why do you build your heavens on ashes? The light was one before you split it. The word was whole before you spoke it.
In the smoke of temples and towers,
the Spirit still whispers, you were meant to be brothers, not conquerors.
Go